This week we are going to be learning about AJAX, which is asynchronous JavaScript, JSON, which is basically it's a storage format, and XML, which is also used for data storage. The reading assignment covers AJAX, XML, and JSON. So does the chapter in the book, although these web links are going to be more current than the book. And once you finish reviewing the reading, you are going to go into key concepts. And there are several different sections to this lecture demo. So I have broken this out into different videos. So you can see the first video deals with AJAX, what that is, and how to use it with JavaScript or jQuery. And then I've got an XML video. I've got a AJAX video that updates the page using XML. Then I've got JSON. So what is JSON? How to create those files. And then I've got a video that will use AJAX to update your page based on JSON data. Okay, so that's how this is split apart. And so you can pretty much go through here. I think that the AJAX procedure does take a little while to get used to. Uh, and there is a very specific format that we code AJAX calls using. And so this week, you are actually going to learn how to create your own XML and JSON files. And then you will be accessing those files through AJAX, and you will be updating your page. Next week, we are going to access APIs, which have data typically in JSON files. So we are going to be going to external sites, accessing data, their data, and updating our page with it. So this week, you're going to be updating the page with your own data. So you're going to learn how to format an AJAX call using JavaScript and also jQuery. And then you're going to be learning XML and JSON. Okay, so like I said, there's a lot of material, and I would definitely do this in more than one setting. In fact, when I cover it in class, I typically do the AJAX and the XML one evening, and then the next I do JSON. Okay, I don't try to do it all in one because I want people to kind of wrap their heads around each one. Okay, so that is the lecture demo, and then you have an assignment. And so the assignment involves creating an XML file and then creating an AJAX, adding AJAX code to a page that reads your XML file and updates your page with content. Okay, and I have an example for you to look at. This example is also in the key concept lecture demo. Really important for you to note that you cannot test AJAX offline. So for this assignment, you are going to have to transfer the files to the web, go to the live website, and test it that way. Okay, and for XML, the only problem people have had is the tags are case sensitive. So if you create your tags in all capital letters, okay, and then in your JavaScript you use get elements by tag name, then you have to use all capital letters there too. Okay, so that is the first part of the assignment, basically working with XML and AJAX. The second part is creating a JSON file. And then you are going to create a page that uses Ajax to read your JSON file and update your page. And then the last part is going to be creating a page that has at least 3 buttons, and you will click the button and Ajax will update your page. The examples that I have, I think, have 2 buttons instead of 3. You need 3, right? Actually, this one has 3, but you can see I did 3 menus, and this is JSON. And I think this is just HTML. So you need 3 buttons. Keep that in mind. Um, I only have 2, but it's actually loading different web pages. So, it's up to you what you do your 3 buttons on. Um, you need the 3 buttons. And as far as content, you can, you know, access a XML file and update your page with that. You can access a JSON file and update your page with that. Or, you can load different HTML pages. Totally up to you. Okay, but that is the last part of the assignment. Okay. So hopefully you guys will enjoy working with this. And once you are done, get everything transferred and submit done to the Dropbox. We are still working on milestone 1. So all of the information that we went over last week, I have included it here as well. And if you did not watch the overview video last week, uh, go up here and watch it so you know what you need to do for the first milestone. Okay, because I went through it in that video. Make sure you watch that video. Okay, other resources this week would be the publisher's PowerPoint on Ajax and JSON. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy working with these. Uh, it is not unusual for people to run into some syntax issues and have things not display. If that happens to you, reach out and I will take a look at it. And I hope everybody has a great week.